were a kid,
Yes.
do you still go there
Yes.
regularly?
Just the other
So it
day.
didn't stop.
Yeah, tsaka wala akong magawa eh. Kasi parang, kunyari ganito ako. Kunyari nakaupo ako sa kama ko, di ba? May ginagawa ako, tapos biglang makapagano'n. Tapos biglang pag gumanon na ako, wala na. Andun na, naggaganon eh.
You see the portal.
Tapos
kumbaga.
they follow me. Minsan pag nagbe-beach kami, biglang may mga bata, tapos biglang, uy, hindi tao to ah. Tapos biglang nag-hello sa akin. So, wala akong magawa eh. So, I see them, I believe, I talk to them, I hear them, na nakikita ko lahat. Lumibot na ako sa Terra. I saw it.
So would you say you have a third eye?
Yeah, some sort of. But I'm a high-level empath. So,
High level what?
empath.
Okay.
Tapos, mana ako sa mama ko. My mom is talagang bukas. And I grew up like that. I grew up na sinasabihan ako na may ilaw daw na sumusunod sa akin. So ako parang, what the fuck, ganun. So my mom daw, when she was buntis, may Indian daw guy na old man na humawak sa tiyan niya, nag-appear sa harap niya at sinabi, your child is a star. Hindi star na sikat, as in bituin. So my mom, since then, puro my child is a star, my star boy. Yun na. Tapos nung pinanganak ako, may ilaw daw ako, may ilaw susunod sa akin, tumatagos sa akin, umiikot sa akin. So nakuha ko yan all my life, and then people have been telling me about that thing. Even babaylans,
Yes.
they tell me this. So ako naman, wow. And then I'm very spiritual. I'm really connected. I meditate, I talk to God, the universe. Ganun po. Kaya hindi ako nagugulat na.
This is a serious question, Direk.
Yes.
Kaya alien ka?
Okay, since I was a child, I knew I am not from here. And I always joke na, hindi kasi ako taga dito eh. And then every time I read some texts na yung about spirituality, about star children, natatamaan ako at lahat-lahat. So I don't know, but I really believe, yeah, I'm not from here. I call myself a demigod because of I'm half whatever. Yun eh, totoo siya eh, nangyayari siya eh. At tumatambling yung mga kaibigan ko because I display moments also like that. Minsan nakaka-predict ako, nakakakita, nakakahanap ako ng mga nawawalang tao, nakaka-predict ako ng mananalo, nakaka-predict ako ng numbers. Ang lala. So, ayun.
You mentioned din earlier na may nakakausap ka mga elemental.
Yes.
Can you do you have any anecdote on that?
Yeah, okay, they're real. They're super real. As in tangible real in your face. As in, meron ako man nami-meet sa Glorieta na hindi naman tao pero nakaganon sa akin. Tapos alam kong, uy, nag-hello sa akin. Mga ganon. Since I was a child, yun po ah. Tsaka, eto gusto ko yabang. Partida po yan ah. I never drank. I never yossi. I never took drugs. Ever. So this is all natural, high, and real. Supernatural. I don't know, but I can prove it that it's real. Kaya naniniwala ako kila Elizabeth Oropesa, kila yung mga tungkol sa galingan. Kasi meron akong Thera. Dyan yun. And para sa akin, alam po kung nasa ng biringan.
May sino yung actor dati na nakakakita ng...
Si ano yung lalaki?
ng mga UFO?
Oo. Yung lalaki na may bigote.
Actor yun.
Oo. Si...
I forgot.
Basta I forgot about
Later
that.
malaan.
So, yun, katulad nun, hindi ako natawa dun eh. Kasi ako parang, oh shit, siya din. Yun yung feeling ko. Siya din. Sila din. So, yung secret ko now, tonight, is out. But, hindi ako nahiya eh. I mean, tara, kahit balibalik rin niyo ako. Kasi, dito, paano ko masusulat yon ng 7 days? Papasilip ko po sa inyo kung paano ko siya sinulat. Hindi po siya basta English lang. My Sense and Sensibility is European. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya nagawa. Basta account kasi siya eh. Hindi siya creating eh. Ang hirap kasi pag creating. Kasi ang hirap nun. May mga writers din na makaka-relate sa akin. Ang hirap yun mag-create. So pag nakita niyo yung sophistication ng script ko, mayabang po ako doon. Kaya kong itaga yun. I can put my life on it. Na walang magsasabing cheap yung script ko. I have it now with me. You can see it.
Sabi nyo kanina na matagal nang namatay ang ego nyo.
Yes.
Pero after this, syempre, mas maraming tao ang magsasabi ng negative or hindi maniniwala sa inyo. Ano ang sasabihin nyo pa?
Wala na silang masasabing masasaktan pa ako. Kasi buong buhay ko nakuha yan. Mula nung bata pa lang ako, shut up na ako. May titas, may titos, may lolas, they tell me to shut up. Because wala daw akong alam. So ako, I kept to myself, and then the world was boom. That's what I did was I observed humanity and how humanity is such more than half pathetic human beings because they don't know na at nakalimutan na nila kung paano maging tao. So, gusto ko silang turuan.
Do you think may epekto ka rin sa tao?
Oo naman. I want to believe.
How so?
Because if you don't know, I'm also Mr. Speaks on social media. I'm a celebrity influencer. I'm a speaker, hardcore truth, real talk ako. Tito Boy Bunda featured me twice in The Bottom Line. I talk as in humanities ng hardcore. Meron ako 6 million bashers. Pero meron ako 46 countries listening to me. And I'm the only guy in the Philippines who did conservatively 2 billion views in 3 days. At sinabi po sa akin ng Facebook na ako lang ang original na viral person sa Pilipinas. Because the others who are viral, paid, boosted, promoted, blah blah blah. Ako 100% organic po ako. At wala po makakapagsabi nito kundi ako lang. So far, wala pang sumunod sa akin. Natalo ko po yung Aldab nung sumabog ako, nung 2017. Because Aldab did 12 millions. Yeah. Aldab did 12 million in 2 weeks. 2 months. I did 78 million views in 17 hours.
Sila 2015,
No?
2017.
2017 ako. So, yun ang trust ko. So, yun ang paniniwala ko. And I don't care who destroys me. They will never destroy me. Because no matter how much they destroy me, they will never get to where I am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Terra is another layer of Earth, outside Earth, a few 100,000 feet above Earth. And it's crazy. And then, these are sample, etong mga nasa likod po, yan po, ganyan po ang tema ng show. Wala pong tao dito. They're all elementals. So this is our lead girl. She's here tonight. I'll introduce to you later. This is Naya. Here's what Bleach did. We shot that here in this green screen room. You will meet her. Those are the sample shots na diniscuss na namin. Tingnan nyo naman.